Okay, today is going to be a lot of sanding and buffing and stuff like that. Some people like watching paint correction. Me personally, I think it's not fun. So that being said, that's what most of today is going to be. So just so you kind of know what you're going to see here. Kind of been avoiding this, but I really just need to buckle down and do it. More sanding. So here we go. What looks like 2 minutes of work, it feels like an hour. So I'm just trying to get all of this to be even. There was like a couple big runs in the hood that I was able to get out. I also got a little too happy with the sander and burned through it a little bit, so I don't know how I'm gonna fix that, but whatever. And then you can kind of see, oh, not really. There's some orange peel there that I still need to get out. And see, like, that's a run right there that I gotta fix. And it's in a wonderful spot also. So yeah. It continues. All right, that's 3,000. So now I'm going to clean it and see how, hopefully it polishes out. I mean, okay, so I need to take a break from sanding. I hate it the most of everything. So I'll let the hood hang out for a minute, and then what we're gonna do is let's get those headlights down, and then we're also gonna see what damage we can do with this stuff. Looks pretty good. Look better once it's like, you know, put together, but some little yellow headlight action. So my taillights turned out good. They're in here. Did those red yesterday. Turned out pretty cool. Not bad for 20 bucks. But I never painted the things that go on the bottom of them. So I want to scuff these up real quick. I'm not going to paint them with the same paint that I painted the car with. I'm just going to do rattle can black with a clear coat over it. It's fine. Just relax. Yeah, just trying to do like little things here and there, because wet sanding and polishing is great. So I need to finish doing the more abrasive pad on the hood and then do the final polish on the hood, and then I've got a good idea what the rest of the car could look like if I'm willing to put that much time into it. But it's a lot of time. I feel like if I was able to focus enough to spend a whole day on it, I could do the whole car. It's not really the way I operate, so I'll do the best I can. shiny. It's shiny. So I got my little pieces here. They go into the taillights, so I'm just gonna paint those real quick. Make them look nice, and then we can put my taillights in. Alright, I got the hood to, it's shiny, so it looks fine. I'll probably pass over it one more time with a fine buffer pad on it, but it came out pretty decent, especially for how mode the paint was. But, yeah, all needs done. So, that's it, another one of the books. A lot more work to do.